Today I'm talking about lino cutting. I like to get the lino and paint it blue first, nice dark background, and then I draw the pattern on just with a pencil to start with. It's just very handy having it dark. Next I use a nib and pen, and I use a marker I suppose, but I mark out all the bits that are going to be black because this is very important for my design. When I have my design, I then get myself a lino cutting tool. Gotta be very careful with these things, they are quite sharp. And what I'm doing is I'm cutting away all the bits that I want to be white. I'm leaving behind all the bits that are going to be black. So it's really important just to... Oh, sorry about that. Oh man, that really hurt. Got some band-aids here. Oh, just cover that wound. It's always good to have something to sort of stop bleeding when you're doing this. It's quite a good thing. So you always got to be very careful when you do this, because you just don't want to. Now it's really sort of the sort of thing you got to be very careful. Oh God! Going to not again. God, I gotta be more careful. Oh man, I'm going through these plaster casts. Oh man, okay. Alright. Right. Oh, fuck! Going. Right, it's good to keep the work area clean of any sort of liquids. You want to try and always be able to see the block that you're cutting out. No, keep the area nice and neat. I'm almost there. You can see I'm just cutting away the areas, and I'm going to be very, very careful from now on. So clean. Oh God, no, not. Oh God, stuff it. Look, go to some other YouTube video and find out how to lino cut. I'm sick of it. Just sick of it. Damn it. Okay, using a brayer or a roller to roll out some ink, I now am going to roll the ink up onto my block that is so neatly cut out without any fuss or drama. Once inked up, put it on your paper and you're going to put it into a press. This is the press I'm using this time. Lovely press. Pull it off, have a look. There you go. I hope you think it's worth it.